Welcome to our exciting showdown between two popular countertop ice makers, the budget-friendly Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker and the premium Aeitto Nugget ice maker. In this video, we will explore their features, compare their performance, and help you decide which one is the right choice for your kitchen. Let's dive in. The Igloo self-cleaning countertop ice maker is priced at just $94, making it an excellent option for those on a budget. In contrast, the Aeitto Nugget ice maker comes with a higher price tag of $469, reflecting its premium features and capabilities. While the Igloo offers great value for casual users, the Aeitto targets ice enthusiasts willing to invest more for specialized ice. When it comes to ice type, the Igloo produces traditional cylinder-shaped ice, which is functional but melts quickly. On the other hand, the Aeitto specializes in nugget ice, known for its chewable texture and slower melting rate, making it ideal for cocktails and beverages. This difference in ice type can significantly affect your drinking experience. The Igloo can produce up to 26 pounds of ice per day, which is sufficient for casual use. However, the Aeitto excels with a production capacity of 40 pounds per day, making it suitable for larger gatherings or frequent entertaining. If you need a high volume of ice, the Aeitto is the clear choice. In conclusion, the choice between the Igloo and Aeitto ice makers boils down to your specific needs and budget. If you're looking for an affordable, compact option for occasional use, the Igloo is a great fit. However, if you prioritize high performance and the luxury of nugget ice, the Aeitto is worth the investment. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product comparisons.